Hello friends, welcome to another session of Digital Forensic. In this session, we are going to see the digital forensic investigation. What do you mean by investigation? What do you mean by digital forensic investigation that we are going to study in this session? Let's start with digital forensic investigation. The definition. The definition is a special type of investigation where the scientific procedures and techniques used will be allowed to view the result, digital evidence, that is the result, to be admissible in a court of law. That means a special type of investigation where the specific procedures and technical procedures are used for the investigation and for the examination of the digital evidence, and that is to be examined and analyzed and to present that particular evidence into the court of law for the purpose of justice. That is the definition of digital forensic investigation. Now let's see the goals of digital forensic investigation. The main goals of the digital forensic investigations are: the main objective computer forensic investigation, that is digital forensic investigation, is to examine digital evidences and to ensure that they have not been tampered in any manner or they have not been modified in any manner. To achieve this goal, the investigation must be able to handle all below the obstacles. Handle and locate certain amount of valid data from large amount of files stored in the computer system. It is viable that the information has been deleted. In such situation, searching inside the file is worthless. Data may be stored in damaged device, but the investigator searches the data in working devices. So these are the goals of digital investigation. Few more goals are: if the files are secured by some password, investigators must find a way to read the protected data in an unauthorized manner. That means they have to hack that particular password or they need to access that particular information in unauthorized manner. Major obstacle in that each and every case is different. Identifying the techniques and tools will take a long time. That means various types of techniques and various types of tools are required to identify or to recover the data from the digital storage media. So that is used to take long time in the forensic investigation. The digital data found should be protected from being modified. It is very tedious to prove the data under examination is unaltered. That means whatever data which is presented in the court of law, that investigators has to prove that that particular information is not modified. It is the original information which is recovered or which is obtained from the crime scene. Common procedures for investigation and standard techniques for collecting and preserving digital evidences are desired. So in this way, that is the information which is not to be altered, which is to be presented intact in front of the justice or in front of the court of law. So these are the goals of digital forensic investigation. After goals of the digital forensic investigation, we'll see some ethical issues in digital forensic. Ethics in digital forensic field can be defined as a set of moral principles that regulate the use of computer. Ethical decision making in digital forensic work comprises of one or more of the following: honesty towards the investigation, prudence means carefully handling the digital evidence, compliance with the law and professional norms. Then we'll see the general ethical norms for investigator. The investigator should satisfy the following points, as the investigator is fully responsible for handling and storing and keeping the record of the digital evidence that has to be performed. So investigators should satisfy the following conditions, following points: to contribute to the society and human being, to avoid harm to others, to be honest and trustworthy, to be fair and take action not to discriminate, to honor property rights including copyrights and patents, to give proper credit to intellectual property, to respect the privacy of others, to honor the confidentiality. These are the points that must be satisfied by the forensic investigation. So in this way we have seen the ethical and unethical norms for the investigations under the digital forensic investigation. That's it for the session. Thank you. Thank you very much.